Let's see what happened this week. Well,
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. It's you and me.
hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to another weekly update. Just wanted to give you a little good, bad, and epic for the week. Some of the good stuff, got one of our prototypes in finally. Hopefully we'll get our website up and running either this week or the next. Start trying to actually sell some stuff. Hopefully have a little bit of fun doing it. The bad, I rewatched some of these videos and it's funny how things translate from on paper to reality. So I think I'm gonna mix it up probably a little bit going into our next video experiment. But last but not least, a little bit of epic news. I love a little good side hustle with cards. And I traded one of my vintage Jackie Robinson cards for some vintage Pokemon cards. So got a little nostalgia trip right here. Anyway, hope you all had a great weekend, and hopefully your March Madness brackets didn't get too far busted. But until then, be well.